This is ABC 7 Los Angeles.
60% of American adults have gum disease. The American Dental Association says most people would rather risk losing a tooth than get gum surgery. But as health specialist Denise Dodor reports, a new FDA-cleared laser alternative may get more people into the dentist chair.
How are you doing, Linda? You feeling anything? Good.
Today, Linda Drexler is doing great. Yes, she has gum disease, but at least she doesn't have to go under the knife. She's taking advantage of a newly approved laser, which means no cutting, no stitches, and hardly any downtime.
So the patient is back to their daily routine, back to work right away. They can come in on their lunch hour and resume their daily activities.
Gum disease is when the gum and bone erode and teeth become loose in their sockets.
I was losing bone, and I did not know that either because of, this gum disease.
Lynette Little is one of 100 million Americans who has gum disease. Symptoms include bad breath, red or swollen gums, bleeding when flossing or brushing, and a change in the way your teeth fit together. Left untreated, the bacteria in the mouth can travel through the bloodstream and cause heart attack and stroke. It's even linked to premature deliveries. Each year, 30,000 of us undergo painful gum amputations to treat it. But now many dentists are offering laser periodontal therapy.
This procedure does for dentistry what LASIK has done for people with eye problems.
Periolase selectively destroys diseased tissue and heals as it treats. Dentists say it also helps promote bone growth. The best part for patients is the ease and convenience.
In the new way, you can walk out the door, and it's like you just came to the dentist's office for a checkup. I mean, it was just such a breeze.
And with this new laser treatment, it's less likely that a reinfection will occur. In Sherman Oaks, Denise Dodor, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
With the vast majority of the population having some form of gum disease, it's not surprising that dentists commonly recommend periodontal treatment to their patients. Deep pockets, especially with bone loss, requires immediate attention. Common recommendations by dentists include deep cleaning, scaling and root planing, and gum surgery. Statistics by multiple dental resources report that only about 4% of patients needing gum surgery actually follow through with treatment, usually because of fear. People are concerned about, if not downright scared, of conventional treatment options, and they're looking for an alternative. As featured on news channels and newspapers, periodicals, and dental journals around the country, specially trained laser dentists are providing the no-cut, no-sew, no-fear laser alternative for the treatment of periodontal disease. Using the Millennium Dental Technologies Periolase MVP7 dental laser, they successfully and comfortably treat patients with periodontitis so they are able to quickly return to their daily routine. So many people need help, and they're looking for a better way, especially because it's not just about your teeth anymore. People with periodontitis are at increased risk for heart disease, stroke, complications with diabetes, and spontaneous preterm births, to name a few. Laser-assisted new attachment procedure, or LANAP, is quickly becoming the gold standard for the treatment of gum disease.